Okay, so that's a second model I'll be talking to you a little bit about. The third model, which is equally important, is to talk about the multicultural and socio-cultural integration of minorities in the UK. Now, the United Kingdom also has, since the Second World War, its demographics have changed. Okay, as a result, there has to be important considerations for policies of integration of minorities. So what we have seen, therefore, since the Second World War, there has been a change of demographics, not only in Europe, but also in other parts of the world, as people move from one part of the world to the next. Okay. And that takes me to the next point. So when we look at migration, issues, migration is a historical phenomenon. Migration is not something recent.